Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. In the heart of Medina, Tariq, a young seeker of knowledge, was drawn to the study of the Qur'an. His dedication was profound, yet he remained humble, seeking guidance from renowned scholars. One day, at the mosque library, Tariq discovered an ancient manuscript, Surah Al-Kahf, with scholarly commentary. Eager to delve into its wisdom, he opened the book under gentle light. Within Surah Al-Kahf, the tale of the sleepers in the cave stood out. They awoke after centuries, seeking refuge from persecution, a reminder of Allah's protection over believers. As Tariq read, he reflected on the trials faced by the sleepers, learning lessons of steadfast faith and divine intervention. These stories were guidance for those seeking Allah's protection. His study continued with the story of Prophet Musa and Khidr, teaching humility and the infinite nature of knowledge. Arrogance in understanding leads to ignorance. With each passage, Tariq's heart and soul awakened, deepening his understanding of Allah's wisdom. The Quran was a guide illuminating his path towards righteousness. Every word brought clarity, dismantling chains of misunderstanding and ignorance. The surah teaches that faith, patience, and humility prepare believers for life's trials. Tariq left the mosque with a light heart, understanding that the Quran was a treasure open to all who seek guidance with sincerity and humility. While the world rushes to forget, Surah Al-Kahf stands as a warning to the arrogant, to the forgetful, and to those asleep in their comfort. But the sleepers are waking, and the truth will not be silenced. The moral of Tariq's journey is clear. True wisdom lies in the humility to learn continuously and the courage to hold steadfast in faith. 1. Faith requires sacrifice. The sleepers gave up comfort and safety to preserve their belief. 2. Allah protects the sincere. Even nature obeys him to shield his servants. 3. Time cannot erode truth. Real faith transcends generations. 4. Tests come with divine wisdom. Isolation was their hardship, but also their honor. 5. Surah Al-Kahf is a protection. The Prophet Muhammad advised us to recite it every Friday for a reason. Actionable plans. 1. Recite Surah Al-Kahf every Friday. The Prophet said it will be light for the week ahead. Hadith, Muslim. 2. Study its meanings. Understand the deeper stories. The sleepers, Musa and Khidr, Qarnayn, all rich with guidance. 3. Teach your children about the youth of the cave. Let them grow with role models who chose truth over popularity. What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.